Dear friends of the Violetraysgarage, welcome to another of our exciting videos. Today we are working on a one-piece device. You see, one piece and there is everything in it. And I would like to open and repair this together with you. The first thing is I cut away this really ugly cable. Then you can see here is the voltage. It's 110 volt devices. This is really something that you need to keep in mind if you want to work with these devices, to find out what is the right voltage. And some of them, the most of them in my opinion, have 110 volt, so be careful with them. Next thing is I loosen these bolts here and here, and then I turn the headpiece. Turn and turn and turn. And now here we have the good stuff. Okay. So for understanding, we have here the part that is normally inside the small handle of your Violetray devices. This is the Tesla coil. And you see here, there are two connections, one coming from the Wagnerian hammer to the primary coil, and the other one is coming from the capacitor to this Tesla coil. And here we have the driver coil and the capacitor. This is the capacitor. So I would like to give you a better look on this. First, I take this fabric away. Yeah. Again the fabric. Careful here. There is the other primary coil. Careful here. So, and the last one. Fabric here. Okay. So what you can see is this through what I told you before. Here is the neutral coming to the primary of the Tesla coil directly from the Wagnerian hammer. And here we have the other connection of the Tesla coil coming from the capacitor. It's coming from here. So I want to take the capacitor out. And normally this one here is glued. What an ugly sound. And now I try to take this capacitor out. Want to take it out. Oh, and here we are. This is our capacitor, very small, and you see it's shaped kind of roundish so that it fits in here. This is one of the biggest problems later, to find a capacitor that can be done here.